Okay. I have garlic powder. I ain't never measured this before, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to start with a half teaspoon. It's a half a teaspoon so far. We will see.
Oh, that looks so good. Melted perfectly.
That looks like the right amount in there.
And you can't go wrong if you add too much garlic.
Yeah, garlic you don't gotta worry about. It's the other stuff that makes it dark. I want a half teaspoon of this too. I'm gonna try a half a teaspoon of the A1 too. We'll see if it needs more. But you don't want to put too much A1 in it, or it'll get dark. You know, and if you get dark, you know you've gone too far.
Well, that ain't much.
Yeah, I might need a whole teaspoon. So 2 half teaspoons, whole teaspoon.
We've always done this just by looking at it. We're trying to get accurate measurements so we can reproduce it better.
Yeah. And then I want probably at least a teaspoon of Worcestershire in there.
Worcestershire. What's the Worcestershire could do?
We'll see how that goes. Might add another half teaspoon, we'll find out.
This is called season to taste.
Yeah, basically. Looks about the right color for how I made it last time. That might be good. I don't know. Dad?
Superb.
Perfect?
Superb. So, the ingredients are
Teaspoon of A1, a teaspoon of Worcestershire, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, half a brick of Velveeta, half a
or
cup of
some
milk,
kind of cheese.
half a cup of milk, and a stick or half a cup of butter.
The end.
Yeah.
Endeavor to
I could add a little more Worcestershire to that, but I'm not going